Hi, this is Valary, and today's recipe is Tiramisu Italiano.
My name is Michael, and I'm from upstate New York. This is my wife, Valary. She's from Kenya. When I was 30 years old, my mother gave me an incredible gift. This homemade cookbook, which took her years to produce, contains over 400 family recipes. One morning, after Mom passed away, we decided to honor her by preparing every recipe in that book. To make it interesting, we thought Valary should be the chef. Can a Kenyan transplant conquer her mother-in-law's opus? Let's find out. This is Valary Cooks the Book.
Here's a list of ingredients that you'll need to create this beloved Italian dessert. 7 egg yolks, half a cup of sugar, a third cup of sweet marsala plus 2 tablespoons, 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese softened to room temperature, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of brewed espresso coffee, 1 ounce of dark chocolate, a quarter cup of rum, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 48 lady fingers, and a quarter cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. So no man fingers?
No man fingers.
Just the lady ones?
Just the lady fingers.
Okay.
Yes. But one quick correction. It's Marsala wine.
What did I say?
Marsala. Which sounds like an evil Disney character. Time for a recap. Please feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot.
So the first step is we have to cream together the yolk and sugar in a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water. So we're gonna start off with the yolk. Remember that we had 7 egg yolks and half a cup of sugar. Then we're gonna whisk it.
Yes, it's true. We don't own a whisk.
We have a mixer, which we should get a hint.
Yeah. We're using our egg beaters, folks. We obviously need to pad our production budget just a bit.
Okay, the consistency looks a little bit thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the marsala wine. Okay. Oh my god, that smells so good.
You know, it's a slow cooking process with the simmering water and the double boiler, which I think is what you want so that you get that custardy consistency. Otherwise, the eggs would cook very quickly and you'd end up with scrambled eggs.
That's true. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, so we've removed it from heat, so we're gonna stir in the mascarpone until completely blended.
And the instructions are to fold the cheese into the egg mixture.
Is this folding?
Folding is a gentle process as opposed to stirring, which I guess is more violent.
Okay, so the consistency is a little bit thicker, but not as thick as I thought it would look like. So I'm feeling a little bit nervous.
When it cools down, I bet it will
solidify.
Yeah.
Okay, so next we are going to combine espresso, chocolate, rum, vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of masala in this saucepan. We bought a cold brew espresso at the grocery store, so you can make your own espresso if you want, or you could buy some. So I'm gonna start with that. Then this is the masala. No, this is the vanilla extract.
That's vanilla.
Okay. And then this is the 2 tablespoons of masala wine. And then this is the rum. And we're gonna drop in the chocolate. So this is about an ounce of chocolate, which comes to around 3 squares. So we're gonna heat this gently until the chocolate dissolves.
Does this require whisking?
No, it's just you just boil it, and of course we're gonna combine it slowly once to break down the chocolate further.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know why we don't have a whisk. What's wrong with us?
I don't know. I wonder about that all the time. So as you can see, the chocolate is melting. We're just gonna mix in the mixture so that it's well dissolved. Again, this is boiling gently. And then once this comes to a boil, we're gonna set it aside to cool down. Okay, I think it's boiled. We're gonna set this aside.
Cool.
So next we're gonna whip the whipped cream, I guess. Here's a cup of cream, and this is a chilled bowl. We've had it in the freezer for about like 20 minutes. So
what we gotta do?
So here's the mascarpone mixture. We are kind of a little worried. We think it's a little runny.
Yeah. I mean, it couldn't have been a disaster. Mom wouldn't have typed it up and put it in the book.
Okay, so we are supposed to
fold. So you do a little at a time.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do all of it.
Okay.
So fingers crossed, this is the right consistency.
Don't you mean lady fingers crossed?
Oh my god. You hot? Yes, lady fingers crossed.
Oh, it's getting thicker. See?
Okay, it's getting thicker. So this is our coffee mixture. It has been chilling in the fridge for the past like 15 minutes. We are going to be dipping each dipping in a chilled coffee mixture, and then we are going to arrange it in a single layer on this Pyrex dish. Then the cookies shouldn't be soaked or become too wet.
That's not what it says, folks. What does it say, babe, in the recipe?
No.
It says, do not soak the cookies or they will become too moist.
Thank you, Michael.
So, casual dipping.
Okay, so this is runny, so I'm just going to pour it.
Yeah. So, like half the mixture for the first layer, half for the second layer.
Yep. Okay, so I ran out of my coffee mixture. Now we are just gonna wing it. We're just gonna have dry lady fingers. I think that's it. So we're gonna sprinkle on top some cocoa powder. Okay, so we'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back in a couple hours and hope for the best.
So welcome back for a moment of truth. The tiramisu has been chilling for the past 2 hours. Honestly, it doesn't look like a tiramisu. It's a little, I guess the mascarpone.
It's a little runny.
It's runny, yeah. But let me try it.
We're worried.
But we're brave. Okay. It's good. It tastes like tiramisu.
Hey.
It's just wet. Like more than usual. But
the taste is right?
The taste is right. Because we did everything right, I think, apart from the consistency. Wait, do you want to try?
Yeah.
I know Michael's a little terrified because he keeps thinking, oh, I'm going to have raw eggs.
I'm worried the eggs aren't cooked enough. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, we're just being picky. We wish it were thicker.
So that is all, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you happen to try the recipe, let me know what you think about it. See you next time.